Mnumzane Ntanzizolo ke besilokhu sibhiza ngithi ke ngayo ke ikhasi leli 948 amakhasi emawaphelelo wonke ku 5471 ku exhibit B6 mayelana ke ne USB yakho.
You'll recall that we have shown you the picture that appears on the screen. You have identified the photo, and you've also described the photo, namely the long hair.
Uyakhumbula ke siyasakhomba ke isithombe lesiya sivela ko lapha kuma bona kude nje lo screen wase usho na ukuthi lapha usithombe lesa ubunenwele nje ezinkulu esikhuleni.
Yeah, was in a record.
Yes.
Yes. And this is not the appearance that you had before your arrest. You testify that you kept your hair short.
Uye wachaza futhi wathi ke ubungabukeki kanje ngaphambi ukuthi uboshwa ngithi ngizakho bezimfishane ngaphambi kokuboshwa kwakho.
Mangifika Rustenburg ngifika ngabhonda mangibuya emakhaya.
When I was from home and when I got to Rustenburg I cut my hair.
Yes. Now we had looked at the file name, the date there, the 24th of September 2020. We had, maybe just before we proceed, is this how you look when you were in custody or after your arrest?
Emva usoboshiwe so ngaphakathi ke ububeka kanje
Ngibukela kanjani?
njenga sithombeni lesi.
Bengingenaso isibuko Nkosi enkantolo.
I did not have a mirror, my lord.
Now we had looked at the equipment make. That was used to take the photo. It's a Samsung. The equipment model SMJ500F. Yesterday we put it to you that the equipment make and model corresponds with that of your phone.
Siyasabheka futhi ke umshini oyasetshenziswa nokuthi onjani ke kuyabonakala ukuthi ke uSMJ500F saphinde sakubeka sathi ke lo mshini osetshenziswa lana ke uyafana ke nefoni yakho.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho kulo.
Mina bengina iPhone J5 Samsung.
My lord, I had a phone, a J5 Samsung.
And just below that, the equipment model and make, there's a date and time when this represents the date and time when the photo was taken. It's 2020-09-24, 13:43:21.
Uma futhi sehla lapho sibona ke isikhathi futhi ke nosuku usuku ke lukhomba ke 2020-09-24 isikhathi ke kube 13:43:21. Should I respond?
Yes.
Yebo.
No, akusiyona idate yakhona.
That is not the initial date or the date.
Akusi kodwa engikuthanda ngoba noNdlovu washo lapha etsheni court ukuthi isithombe yakhona ukushintsha idate. Isithombe akusesona date yasona lesi.
And what I like about all this is that when Ndlovu was testifying, he did mention to the court that it is possible for one to change dates on the pictures. This date that appears here is not the date of this picture.
No, there is not the evidence of Warrant Officer Ndlovu. We wish to refer you to his evidence on the 11th of June 2025.
Akusibona kofakazi ke obasho uNdlovu uBarant Officer Ndlovu lobo busho wena sithanda ukuthatha ke sikubuyisele emuva ke ngale nkathe ethula ubufakazi mhla ka 11 June ngo2025.
Ibona Nkosi enkantolo wayebuza angabe wayebuza ubaba uNxumalo lo mama umsholo lembuza lapha nesithombe isithombe yakhona nokushintsha idate wavuma lapha phambi kwecourt. What yes isithombe yashintsha.
It is his evidence, my lord, even though I cannot recall exactly who posed that question to him, whether it was Nxumalo or Mshololo, and the question was that, can one be able to alter the date? And he confirmed yes.
Ukube phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ngisayibona ukuthi indlu ngabani la bengizokutshela isithombe akusisa esale date esibhalwe sona.
If I was able to ascertain whose house is this, was going to be able to tell the court when this picture was taken.
I just wish to refer you to the evidence of Warrant Officer Ndlovu on the 11th of June 2025 at page 53, when explaining how the XRY program works.
Ngithanda ukubuyisela emuva ke ngiyeke ufakazini bakaMnumzane Ndlovu lobu ke obakhulunywa ke mhla ka11 June ngo2025 ke sikuthola konke lokho ke case number 53 ngalenkathi ke uwarrant officer Ndlovu ke chaza la enkantolo ukuthi ke lo XRY ukuthi ke usebenza kanjani.
At line 3 it testifies as follows, and according to my knowledge that the XRY does not change anything on the phone or from the phone. It does it exactly as it is.
Uthi ke uwarrant officer Ndlovu ke ngithanda ukwazisa ukuthi ke uma ke usebenzisa ke lo XRY ke lo XRY ke akashintshi lutho olutholakala kuleyo phone leyo noma ke ungaphakathi kwaleyo phone konke ke la usefonini kuhlala njengoba bekungakhona.
Ingakho ngiphendula inkosi enkantolo kulona iqinisisa isithombe akusisi date yaso lesi.
My lord, it is not correct. This picture that is depicted here is not its date.
uNdlovu uvumile la kumama Msholola ngama umama Msholola babonquma lo embuzo wathi isithombe niyakhona nokushintsha wavuma wathi yes uyashintsha wena isithombe usifaka enye date phambi kwami ngekhona la ecourt.
Mnumzane Ndlovu, my lord, did confirm. I can't recall who was actually asking questions, whether it was Nxumalo or Mam Mshololo, but he did mention that one can be able to alter the dates on the picture.
Nkosi enkantolo isithombe ngasibona ngesami nasi idate le akusiyo.
My lord, I can see the photo. It is my photo, but the date is not the correct date.
But this is the metadata of the photo as it was taken at the time, the date and the equipment model.
Manje ke lokhu ke isithombe lesivelayo ne date le isithombe ke esathathwa ngalo sukuthi desathathwa ngalo nokuthi ke kwasetshenziswa ke ifoni yohlobo oluthini.
Mina ngale ifoni isithombe sishuthwe ifoni yami yashutha isithombe into engiyiphikisayo idate.
My lord, I am not disputing that my phone is the one that took this picture. The only thing that I'm disputing is the date that is showing there.
Why are you disputing the date?
Manje kungani ke uphikisa ke date levelayo?
Mangishutha lesi sithombe mina bengababoshwa.
When I took this picture, my lord, I was not arrested yet.
Mangaphosisa ukuthi ngisayikhumbula idate engibuye ngayo ekhaya mina la ko ngithola nje kuthiwa asibuye emsebenzini ngisayikhumbula idate engibuye ngayo ekhaya.
And when we were called back to work, I cannot recall the date that I came back from home.
Mangiyogibela ugesi ngiyamedical ngiye nginenwele so mina.
When I went for my medicals, I went with my hair like this, that is showing on the picture.
You were arrested on the 16th of June 2020, is that correct?
Kunjalo ukuthi ke wena waboshwa ke mhla ka16 June ngo2020.
Yebo.
Yes.
And the date that is indicated here is 24 September 2020, in other words, when you were in custody.
Udate ke evela la kulama phepha ke ithi ke u24 September 2020 ubusungaphakathi ngaleso sikhathi.
Bese ngiboshiwe lapho.
Yes, I was already in custody at that time.
So this date will demonstrate that you had the phone with you.
Le date lena ke ikhombisa ukuthi wena ubunayo umakhalekhukhwini ku.
Akulona iqiniso le.
That is not correct.
And there's a reason why you're disputing the date.
And isona isizathu esikwenza ukuthi wale le date le ngoba wena ubune cellphone kuwena.
Mina bengena phone, imi phone ngahlala ngoJune 16 mayithathwa ngumkhani noMabhena, 2 phone.
My Lord, I did not have a phone on this particular day. Both of my phones were taken by Mabena on Mohane. The last time that I had a phone was on the 16th of June 2020.
Ake ngitshene ikhodi la. Isithombe lesi akusise sapha mina sengiboshiwe. Isithombe lesi sangaphambili.
I just want to explain this further to the court that this picture that is depicted here is not the picture that I took when I was arrested. It was before my arrest.
Ngoba nje ngitshene ikhodi lesi isithombe lesi nishicha idate. Angilapha ekhodi ngike nashicha isithombe samncube nashicha lapha phambi kwekhodi. Nalesi isithombe nishicha idate ngiyasibona mina isithombe. Isithombe ngesami.
Even this picture, my Lord, you have changed the date on this picture because you have done this before when you changed Mnube's own picture. I can see that this date on this, my picture has been changed.
And furthermore, Warrant Officer Ndlovu testified as follows on the 12th of June 2025. This is the passage that we quoted to you yesterday, page 9, line 2. He testified as follows. Yesterday, I also explained the chain of evidence. I also did not see any challenge in it. I would like the court to also look at that because if my chain of evidence is not being challenged, my data is not being challenged, so I'm also getting confused. Then Mr. Ramsipili at line 7. Warrant Officer, let me tell you, if I was supposed to applaud you in court, I was going to applaud you because in fact, my whole cross is gone. This is the same objection that you are now raising to me, that concern. And I'm going to reiterate that ad nauseum. I said so when an application was made to call you. What are you being called here for?
Uyafunda ke umshushizi la enkantolo uyasho ukuthi manje uzofunda ke futhi aqhubele phambili ke ngabufakazi ke lo basho umntwana uNdlovu la enkantolo ngithi uthi ke makachaza uthi ke izolo ke ngiye ngachaza nami ke konke ke engakwenza ngokufuna ke ubufakazi futhi ke angizange be nenkinga ukwenza konke lokho ngingathanda futhi nenkantolo ukuthi kubheke konke lokho nobheke ukuthi ngendlela ke ubufakazi lobu ke engafuna ngakhona futhi ngabuthola ngakhona data yonke leyo so kwa manje ngiyaxakeka Mzani Ramusipili ke
angitholi kahle
That doesn't accord with what you say now.
Can you repeat?
Yes, that what we've just read out to you doesn't accord with what you say now, that the date, the metadata, the date that appears on the metadata was changed according to you.
Uthi ke umshushizi ke manje lokhu ke okusho unquma la ngale kathi ufakazi ukuthi ke watshela inkantolo ukuthi ke ufakazi bakhe wabuthola kanjani nokuthi futhi ufakazi bakhe kazange uphikiswe noma ke azange ufake imibuzo la enkantolo uthi uyaxakeka manje ukuthi kungani ke sekuthi uba confused kungani bese bathi manje ushintshile ngoba nawe uyasho namhlanje uthi ke idate le iyashintshwa esithombeni.
Kwasenkantolo ngiyethemba la ngoba ngimela ngikhuluma ngesithombe baba Ramsipili wayengekho mangishutha isithombe lesi.
My Lord, as I'm standing before the court, I am talking about the picture and Mr. Ramusipule was not there when this picture was taken.
Le nkulumo efundwa lapha ebhekiswa kimi ayifana le nkulumo engikhuluma ngesithombe mina.
What is being put to me right now is not the same or is not in line with my explanation for the picture.
Okokuqala lapha phambi kwenkantolo uthi mina benginefoni akulona iqiniso lelo show.
Firstly, you said before the court I had a phone which is not true.
As the court pleases, my Lord, I do recall the quoted passage that my learned colleague has just read to the witness. When I was cross-examining Warrant Officer Ndlovu, he was responding to the questions that were posed by my learned colleague, Advocate Sibanda, to say, identify the persons that here and all of that. He says, I'm not an identifier. I'm a downloader. I download my work and I submit my work. As to what the investigating officers seek to do with my downloads, I do not know. So that passage does not correspond to the questions asked about the metadata of this particular picture or any other picture. They don't correlate at all. I remember that vividly in my mind.
Umnumzane Ramosipili ke uyachaza la enkantolo ukuthi cha ngempela ke lokho kusho umshushisi sukhona ngoba ke lokho akufundile manje asiloko okukhulunywa ngalo ngoba ke ngalesuku lolo ke uSibanda ke advocate Sibanda ke uye wachaza la enkantolo ngalenkathi ke ebuza imibuzo ke wasephendula kokuphosa wathi yena asumuntu odownloadayo yena into ayenza nje phela ke uya-identifya bese ya-downloada ke akuhambisani lokhu ke bekungasinkulumo ke ekhuluma ngesithombe makaphendula ke njengoba shilo ke yena ke uphoyisa.
My Lord, the passage that we have just quoted clearly refers to the data, and it speaks for itself, my Lord.
Yeah, I don't know. If I recall the evidence, it's not only Ndlovu. Who was the other gentleman also?
House, Lieutenant Colonel House.
No, not the white one. The black gentleman, there were two. The other ones?
Mabasa, Sergeant Mabasa.
Didn't they say that date is not interchangeable?
Yes.
It's static.
Yes,
That's how I listen to the evidence, but I will check it.
yes, this.
Okay, you said because it says it's immutable, to use the right scientific words.
Yebo ke
Okay.
lenkantolo neyabeka ukuthi usakhumbula ke ufakazi bonke obashiwa ke umunye futhi wephoyisa uMabaso ngalenkathi ethula ufakazi ethi ke yonke le data le abakwazi ukuthi bangayishintsha ayishintsheki nje Sandlobo.
Yeah.
Cha Nkosi enkantolo mina angivumelani nakho lokho ngoba nasi nesinye isithombe sami phambi kwekhoti ngizocela bakubonise lesi sithombe sangamalanga ecorona mangifika ekhaya sishitshe idate nasesibhala idate ka September 2020 09/24 lesi sithombe ngisekhaya emzinga babomncane ngangenolanga lesi sithombe ngishuda ulango nasi manje sishitshe idate nabo basona lapha phambi kwekhoti.
My Lord, I am not agreeing to what has just been placed on record. And there's another picture, my second picture. This picture was taken during the corona days. And also on this particular picture, the date has been changed to September 2020. I was,
sibhala
yes, 24 September 2020. On this picture, my Lord, I was at my uncle's place, and Lango is the one that took this picture in particular.
And furthermore, on the 11th of June 2025, at page 19, Dr. Sibanda for the state did authenticate the information, and the following is on record, the 11th of June 2025, page 19, when he was leading Dr. Warren of Ndlovu, Dr. Sibanda, line 2, and it's still the same information that you brought today to court in the USB, then Mr. Ndlovu, that is correct, Dr. Sibanda. Now let us authenticate the information that was received by Colonel House in that USB. And he says, I'm opening it again. We just do this quickly. This information is already on record. Just want to make sure that Colonel House presented before court is also contained in that set of data. And yes, the point that you are making, Mr. Ntanzi, is that the information on the USB was authenticated.
Mnumzane Ntanzi ke umshushisi ke ufundile futhi ke lapha ngalenkathi ke uDr Sibanda naye ke ebuza imibuzo ke esakuthola konke lapho page number 19 ngalenkathi ebuza kofakazi ukuthi ke uqinisekile ngempela ukuthi ke yonke le data leyo ke oyitholile ke iyona futhi azangishintshe na wathi yebo.
And yesterday we've quoted this passage of the evidence of Warrant Officer Ndlovu, which appears on the proceedings of 11 June 2025, page 26, line 2, Warrant Officer Ndlovu. I was unable to download the cell phone because of the pattern. What I was able to download was the SD card, the memory card, as well as the 2 SIM cards. And then when I was done with it, I burned now this information inside the CD. I seal the CD, I seal the phone and everything. I then took it to the safe and then waited for the owner or the person that was now in charge of the case to come and collect it. Then coming back to the USB that we are talking about today, as I explained, that once having done the extraction, that it does not end there, we back it up so that each and every time when the court requires it or requests it, we have it, which is why I was now able to come to court with this USB, because I took it from the information which I had kept on my machine. What I can say lastly is the information on the USB and the CD, it is the same information, nothing has changed.
Uyachaza futhi ke ukuthi ke yonke information le khona lapha ku CD na USB information efanayo zange ukushintshe ke ngoba uyachaza ukuthi ke masibheka lapho ufakazi baka warrant officer Ndlovu ke nge11 ka June ngo2025 page number 26 line number 2 ke uthi ke uyachaza ukuthi uyo wakhona ukuthi ke a download ke konke lokho azange akhone download cellphone ngoba ke iphone le benophathini. Okwesibili ke akwenza ke uyakhona download memory card nama sim card amabili konke lokho ke ekudusela kwenye ku CD futhi ke egcina ke ugcineleni ukuthi mangabe inkantolo naye mhlawumbe ufuna lo ufakazi lo izokwazi ukuthi aphinde futhi abulande ufakazi aze nabo. Uthi ke ingakho ke ayakhona ukuthi eze inkantolo na USB ke ngoba kufakazi bekabugcinile ngalenkathi inkantolo ke seyifuna lo ufakazi.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho?
Mina angikhulumi ngenzwabethu, ngikhuluma nganaso isithombe esiphambi kwenkosi enkantolo.
I'm not talking about any rumors. I'm talking about the picture that is before the court.
Nasi isithombe phambi kwami ngimile ngisemakhaya egcekeni kodwa sesibhale 2020 0924 ngisekhaya mina emzini ngoba bomncane. Sishitshe ubani idate but ifone yami eshotha lesi sithombe lesi.
Now I'm looking at this picture. I'm at home in the village. I'm at home in the villages, and the picture, the date there has been changed to 2020 0924. My question is, who changed the date on this picture?
Zikhona ezinyanazi ngaphansi ngapha. Ngizoyitshela nje inkantolo ndaba ngiyifundela kancane kancane lezo thombe neshitshe idate ayikho inkinga siqhubeka sina.
And it's not the only picture. There are some picture on this document, but as we proceed, I'll give an explanation to the court of these pictures that the date has been altered.
Yes. You talk about rumors. Which rumors are you referring to?
Uthi awukhuluma ngabenzwabethi usho uthini?
Lokho angifundela khona ukuthi le nto ayikhuluma ke nenzwabethi ngoba mina ngikhuluma nganaso isithombe sikhonjwa yimi naso isithombe ukuthi sishitshwe idate.
What you are putting to me before the court, that is something that it's hearsay evidence. I'm talking about this picture that is here on the in court.
uNdlovu akazi uyiphikisa inkulumo yakhe umama uMshololo mayembuza la uzange usuku ngiphendula ukuthi baba uNdlovu nangu umama uMshololo ekubiza kanje mama uMshololo wambuza ngqola athi Ndlovu isithombe yakhona nokushitsha idate wathi yebo uyashitsha isithombe maqeda lapho ayithulela athi uMshololo le inkulumo bengiyifuna waphuma uNdlovu wayihambela.
And when Ndlovu was testifying before the court, when Mshololo was asking her question whether is it possible for him to change the dates on the picture, and he confirmed, you did not stand up and question him on that. And then Mshololo finally said, okay, that is all that I wanted, and Ndlovu left the court.
Nasi ngeqiniso phambi kwecourt nasi sishitshwe idate nasi.
Here is the picture before the court, and the date has been changed.
We refer to the cross-examination of Advocate Mshololo of Warrant Officer Ndlovu as appears in the proceedings of 12 June 2025, page 11, line 10. This is, as we pointed out, when Advocate Mshololo was cross-examining Warrant Officer Ndlovu, Advocate Mshololo, and we have confirmed the content of this exhibit in line with the information that you had in your USB, which you led this court through the screen that is before the court.
Uyafunda manje ke umshushisa ngithi ngalofakazi ke ngalosuku lokufakazi lana ke umshololo ke uyena ke ubebuza imibuzo kaSukuma ke uthi ke sikwazile ukuthi siconfirme ke konke ke okulapha ku exhibit B ngokuya ke ngofakazi bonke futhi ke lesi esukunikezwe bona ovela lapha ku USB yakhona lokhu konke ke ukukhombisa ke kule screen lesi sila inkantolo shothi bekune screen besiveziwe ke ngalosuku lo khona la icourt.
So,
ngicela ukuphendula lokho ngifundela usisi.
Can I answer what has just been read to me?
yes.
Yeah.
Lesi sithombe lesi ngale nkulumo lesi sithombe asivezwanga ngokuqala lesi okokuqala lapha
Matsana.
enkantolo.
Firstly, what I want to say is this particular picture that is projected before the court was not projected.
Kukhona uNdlovu la
When
asivezwanga lesi sithombe.
When Ndlovu was testifying, this picture was never projected.
Izolo mina ngitshena icourt athi sithombe ngiyaqala ukusibona siveza lapha escreenini.
Yesterday, I did mention to the court that it is my first time seeing this particular picture which is projected on the screen.
Ithombe iveze ubaba uNdlovu la uthe efonini yami zayidelethiwe. Lezi ubaba uRamsiphi maye ngibuza lapha ecourt engilida ayizivezile ivezwa lo bhuti ebehlela sengikhohla igama lakhe lo ephethe lokuthoba.
Makan, the pictures that were shown or were projected before the court, Ndlovu actually mentioned to the court that they were deleted from my phones. Uthe bese delete phone efonini ngicela uphinde futhi ukwenza.
Usho nje athi efonini wayithola idelethiwe kusho yena uNdlovu.
Ndlovu said he found these pictures deleted on my phone.
Hayi lesi sithombe esiphambi kwecourt sasiveziwe.
Not this picture that is projected before the court.
Yeah, we'll get to the deleted pictures, but the point that we're trying to make here, Mr. Ntanzi, is that Advocate Mshololo says the information that is in the USB has been checked against the CD and it was found to be in order.
Siyakubona lokhu kwezithombe ke sophinde sifike kuona kwesithombe lesidilithiwe ke uthi manje into ofuneka sikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ke umshololo ke na uyasho ukuthi ke yonke information lebela phana ku CD ke iyahlolwa kwatholakala ukuthi ke ingesimo ekuyisona.
Mina nkosenkantolo nazoroshe lesi sithombe ngisho nje ngqo lapha nkosenkantolo ngathi ngiyasiqala ukusibona mina la ecourt ngitshena icourt mina yazi icourt yathi ngayicela egcina athi ngicela ingidibanise nommeli wami angikhombise lezi zithombe zonke ngoba mina lesi sithombe ngiyasiqala yathi icourt okay fine asibuye kusasa kuze ngikwazi ukubona lezi zithombe.
My lord, what I'm explaining to the court yesterday, I did mention to the court that this picture that is depicted on the projector, I'm seeing it for the first time, and then I had requested that the court give me time so that I can consult with my attorney so that he can show me more pictures, and the court said okay, the matter will be adjourned to today.
Ngoba mina icourt ngize ngayitshela lesi sithombe ngisibona sesishiya idate sithombe akusiyi date yaso mina ngitshena icourt mina.
I told the court that the date on this picture has been changed.
Right. We then we proceed with the metadata of this photo. The path, it says DCIM stroke camera. As far as this aspect is concerned, the DCIM stroke camera, Warrant Officer Ndlovu testified as follows regarding this property, and this we see on the 10th of June 2025, page 54, line 1 to 9. Warrant of Ndlovu. And then we are able to tell under the, then it says indistinct DCIM stroke camera. So therefore, this means that this picture was taken with a said cell phone.
Okay, uthi ke umshushu sesibuyela sesiyahla ezantsi angithi sibheka lapho kubhalwe khona la uDCIM slash camera. Uyachaza ukuthi ke ngufakazi bakhe lobu obathulwa ke mhla ka 10 June ngo2025 page 54 line 1 ufika ku line 9 ke uyachaza ukuthi ke manje usho ukuthi manje lesithombe lesi ke sathathwa ke ngayo ke le camera.
Ngiphinde Nkosi enkantolo. Ubaba uNdlovu esithombe akazakhuluma ngasekhona.
I'm repeating myself again. Mr. Ndlovu never mentioned this picture before the court.
uNdlovu uveze izithombe lezi engifake khona isigqoko ekhanda lesi nawe wambuza ngaso phambi kwecourt la.
Ndlovu only spoke about the pictures where I was wearing a hoodie, and you also asked him about those pictures here before court.
Awukhuluma iqiniso uma uthi uNdlovu wakhuluma ngalesi sithombe lapha phambi kwecourt akulona iqiniso lelo.
You are not telling the court the truth when you say Ndlovu spoke or mentioned particular this picture before the court.
Mina ngale isithombe lesi ngesami sishuthwe ifoni yami into engiyiphikisayo ukuthi uNdlovu ukhuluma ngesithombe la leso oshoyo ecourt nane date izinto engiyiphikisa lapha phambi kwecourt.
I'm not disputing the fact that the picture is my picture and it was taken with my phone. The only thing that I'm disputing is the date and when this picture was taken.
Mr. Ntanzi, you are misconceiving one aspect. What we put it to you was what the explanation of Warrant Officer Ndlovu is regarding this property DCIM camera. That it means that the picture was taken by that specific camera.
Yezwa ke Mthuntanzi ke uthi ke umshushisi ke akubekela khona ukuthi ke uNdlovu ke wakhuluma ukuthi ke wakhuluma ngalo DCIM camera washo ukuthi ke isithombe lesi sathathwa ke ngale camera le uDCIM. Yinto ayishoyo le.
Nkosi enkantolo ngiphinde mina isithomba ngalo ukuthi sishuthwe ngefoni yami angwale lokho into engiyala phambi kwekatolo ukuthi athuba balo isithombe lesi ngasale date le ayisho athi futhi uNdlovu angisazi ukuthi uthenga into ayichazile yaNdlovu nangiphikisa lo nto leyo ukuthi lapha angathi ukuthi isithombe sithathwa ngefoni ngiphikisa izinto eziyi2 idate nokuthi uNdlovu utestify le court ngalesi sithombe zange uNdlovu akhuluma ngalesi sithombe lapha ecourt.
My lord, I am not disputing the fact that this picture is my picture and it was taken with my camera. I am only disputing two things, the date and also when you say Ndlovu testified to the court concerning this particular picture. Those are the only two things that I'm disputing.
Then it says, just below path created, that is the date it was saved, it says 2020 09 24 13 43 and 22 seconds.
This means the time the picture was taken.
Was saved.
Okay. Uyazwa ke mnumzana. Isithombe lesikuthi ke siyasaseviwa ke mhla ka 2020 09 24 idate le. Then isikhathi beku 13 43 22.
Masingena sikiphi indawo ngalaso sikhathi lesi sithombe?
From saved from where?
After it was taken with your phone on your memory card when yes, that it went into the memory time, it was saved, then went into the memory card at that time.
Siseviwe ke sasesiya ku memory card ke ngaso lesikhathi.
Mina lokho angivumelani nakho.
I'm not agreeing to that.
Mina ithombe zambe zikhona efonini, ezinye zigcwele efonini, ezinye zigcwele memory card. Futhi memory card yami igcwele ama video engoma nama video ebhola eya memory card.
And I'm not agreeing to that, my lords, because my phone was full of my pictures and also the memory card full of pictures. And just to indicate again, my memory card was full of pictures from the soccer and also from the ingoma traditional dance.
Ezinye ithombe bezikhona efonini yomani eziningi ngiyazi ukuthi zingapha efonini ezincane zikumemory card.
A lot of pictures were on the phone and just some of you were in the memory card.
It says we've already put this date modified. It says 2020 09 24 30 13 43 22. Then it says accessed when the phone was looked at. It says 2020-09-24-00-0000.
Bathi ke ifoni ke nayo ke baye bayibheka ke mhlambe ngayo usuku lolu 2020-09-24 okusuku isikhathi ke beku 000000.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlambe ufuna ukusho kulokho?
ukuthi ngi-understand angizwanga kahle ukuthi mayithi ifoni bake bayibheka xubone mhlambe ngizophendula impendulo kuyona yona.
When you say the phone was looked at, what do you
The
mean?
photo.
The photo.
Yeah.
Isithombe. No, na iPhone ngiyaxolisa. Isithombe. Zabukwa ke ngayo usuku lolo 24 September 2020 000000.
Zibukwa yibo noma yini.
Looked at by who? Them or myself?
Well, the state version is that it's by you.
But when?
Akulona iqiniso.
That is not correct.
Then turning on to page 949, still part of exhibit U6. The metadata continues of the previous page. This first picture that we are looking at says time 2020 09 24 13 43 21, and it says the original time 2020 09 24 says 13 43 21, and it says digitized time 2020 09 24 13 43 21. Says equipment manufacturer Samsung. Equipment model is SMJ500F, and then it gives the software used.
Ngisacela ungivezela la screen ukuze ngizobona kahle kumnyama.
Can you please show me that information on the screen?
Kosenkantolo naso-ke isithombe lesengikhuluma ngaso.
My lord, there's the picture or the photo that I was referring to.
Isithombe lesi ngishutha mina ngiyagwabeni ngakubo. Ngihamba nolango umfowethu. Isithombe ngishutha ngiyagwabeni. Indlu kaLangole.
This picture I took it when I was with Gwabeni, and this where the picture was taken is Lango's house.
Mangisuke eRustenburg amalanga ecorona ngiyeka manje sishintsha ubanika idate wasona futhi.
This picture was taken after I left Rustenburg going home. So my question still stands: who changed the date on the picture?
Mangaphosi isikhosenkantolo ngathi mangenamalanga ama-2 lamathathu ngifikile ekhaya lapha.
If I'm not making a mistake, my lord, I had maybe about 2 or so back home.
Mr. Ntanzi, with the greatest of respect, you are confusing issues. The metadata that we are currently discussing pertains to the picture that we've shown you, not this picture.
Uthi ke umshushisi ke ungathi uphambanisa izinto ke lokho akhuluma ngakho manje kukhuluma ngalesithombe lesi besisebenza ngaso lesi hayi lesi sivelile manje ukhuluma ngalesithombe lesoqala lesi ke besikhuluma ngaso.
You'll see, I'll just ask my colleague just to scroll down. You'll see that the metadata of this appears just below the picture, 27 March 2020. So,
mina lapha kodwa ngisiphambanisa izinto angithi mina ngicela ungivezele isithombe wangivezele babutsibande isithombe mina ngikho ngiphambanisa phambi kwekoti ngihamba ngolayini angithi ngilandela wena ngicela ungivezele isithombe wangivezele babutsibande.
I am not confusing anything before the courts. I made a request and requested that the picture be depicted for me on the screen, and it was this picture was the one that was depicted on the screen for me.
So the metadata, Mr. Ntanzi, that we've been going through continues from page 948 up to 949, and it ends where we have just read out. The picture that you are referring to is a completely different picture. That picture was taken on 27 March 2020. So we're not talking about this picture. We're still talking about that first picture that we have shown to you. And the
Mnumzane Ntanzi,
metadata that we have traversed so far refers to that picture.
Mnumzane Ntanzi, okwamanje ke asikhulumi ngale sithombe lesi esibonakalayo lapha kumabonakude wethu. Sakhuluma ke malana nasithombe lesi sokuqala asikaqedi ke ngoba manje angithi manje ufakazi bakhona bayaqhubeka bungena kwelinye ikhasi elilandelayo. Naye iyasho ukuthi ke manje ikhasi lakhona bekuyi 2020 24 September 1341 ikhulume ukuthi ke umshini osetshenziswa ke bekuyi Samsung imodel yefoni yakhona beku SMJ5005.
Do you understand?
Uyazwisisa lokho akusho?
So we're not talking about this picture.
Asikhulumi ngalesi sithombe lesi sakhuluma ngalesi esokuqala.
Mina ngicelile futhi ngicela ukubona isithombe bakuthi bantu ngivezela isithombe. Ingakho ngiphendula ngesithombe.
My Lord, I requested that I've been shown a picture and then Mr. Nsebande showed me this picture.
Manje kungani pho ngivezela isithombe lesimaka ukuthi mhlambe mina ngeke ngiyalokhoza. Ngoba ngivezela lapha escreenini isithombe ngiphendula lento engiyibonayo.
Why was this picture depicted? Because I'm responding to what I'm seeing depicted on the screen.
We can go back to the picture, the first picture, just so that Mr. Ntanzi, that there's no confusion. We're talking all the time about this picture. The metadata that you've been quoting refers to this picture.
Lokho esikhuluma ngako ke metadata nako konke lokho kuvela kule khasi lesibili lokho sikhuluma ngale sithombe sona lesi. Asikafiki kule sithombe lesibili.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. We continue. We have traversed the metadata that pertains to this picture on page 949. The next picture that we wish to draw your attention to, it's page 951 of 5471 of Exhibit U6.
Sesithanda ukuthi siqhubekele phambili ngoba sesikhulumela ngeThomas oqala sesifuna manje ukuthi manje siya kulo sinye isithombe ke sivela lapha ku page 951 makhasi wonke mawuphelele 5471
So Exhibit 6, sorry.
Exhibit 6.
Can you once again identify the person on that picture?
Ubani lo muntu ovela kule sithombe?
Isithombe sami nkosengandwa.
It's my photo.
And can you describe the hair? Your hair?
Ungasichazela
on the
inwele
picture?
zakho ukuthi ke bezinjani?
Zinwele zami ikhulile.
It's my hair, it has grown.
Now, looking at the properties of the photo, it says file name, the date 2020 09/24, and it says metadata in brackets full. It says equipment make Samsung, equipment model SMJ500F is the make and model of the device that was used to take the photo. Do you agree, Mr. Ntanzi, that the make and model of your equipment accords with the equipment make and model that is given here under metadata?
Uma sesiqhubeka futhi ke lesithombe lesesibili ke kusiyabonakala ukuthi ifile lakhona ke benze ngo-2020 09/24 and ikhuluma ukuthi ke yathathwa ke ifoni enjani yasho ukuthi Samsung model lakhona ke SMJ500F uthi komshushisi Ntanzi ke uyavuma ukuthi ke manje ke le phone le yathatha ke lesithombe lesi ke iyafana ke nefoni yakho wena?
Mina zange ngithi sisithombe sithathwa ngefoni nami akaze ngitshele ikhodi lakho.
I never said to the court that this picture was never or was not taken with my phone.
Mina into engibuze ekhodi ukuthi ubani oshitshe lezi zithombe date?
My question before the court is that who changed the dates on these pictures?
Ngoba le date ebhalwe la akusiyi date lesi sithombe.
Because the date that is written here is not the date of this picture.
And then it says date, time, 2020, 09/24, 13:43:58. And below that it shows the original date and time. It says 2020, 09/24, 13:43:58. Also shows the digitized time, 2020, 09/24, 13:43:58.
Isithombe ke lesiyakhombisa ke usuku kanye futhi ke nesikhathi ikhombisa ukuthi ke beku 24 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke futhi ke so 13:43:58.
And the path, it says DCIM stroke camera. We have quoted the passage where Warren of Sandlovu testifies about the meaning of DCIM camera, namely that the picture was taken with a said cell phone. And it says created 2020 09/24 13:43:59, modified 2020 09/24 13:43:58, accessed 2020 09/24 00:00. The metadata continues from page 951 to page 952, and it says metadata, time 2020 09/24 13:43:58, original time 2020 09/24 13:43:58, digitized time 2020 09/24, says 13:43:58, says equipment manufacturer Samsung, equipment model SMJ 500F, and it gives the software used. This is where the metadata of this picture ends. Do you have any comment?
Umnumzane Ndlovu ke uye wachaza la inkantolo ukuthi ke uma ukhuluma ke ngayo DCIM lokusho ukuthini ke uyachaza ukuthi ke DCIM sho ukuthi ke isithombe lesi ke sithathwe ngayo ke leyo phone leyo ke evezwayo lapho lana kulesithombe lesi ke kuyaveza ukuthi kuvezwa ke iSamsung ke usuku la khona ke beku 24 September 2020 isikhathi ke su 13:43:59.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukuthi
Mina ngakuphendula phambi kwecourt. Mangithula ngibuka lezi zithombe lencwadi phambi kwami. Zonke lezi zithombe zine date e1 nesikhathi esi1. Zithombe zasekhaya, zithombe zaseRustenburg, zonke zinesikhathi esi1.
My lords, looking at all these pictures here, my concern is that all of them have the same date and also the same time, even though the pictures, some were taken in Rustenburg and some were taken back at home.
Manje iyangimangaza ke mina ukuthi isithombe sasekhaya singaphenduka sibe ngasalokhuza 2019 nga 2020 09/24 13:43:58 na lesa seRustenburg futhi phinda sibe nesikhathi eso.
I am just puzzled by the fact that a picture that was taken from home will show the date to be the 24th of September 2020 and the time being 13:43:58, and also a picture that was taken in Rustenburg will depict the same time and also the date.
No, Mr. Ntanzi, with respect, you are incorrect as far as the time is concerned. There is a
digital.
37 seconds difference between the previous photo and this photo. So the photos were taken just seconds apart. The previous time when the photo was taken was 2020, 09, 24, 13:43, 21 seconds. And this one was taken on 2020, 09, 24, 13:43, 58 seconds. So there's a 37 seconds difference.
Mnumzane Ntanzi cha wenze iphutha ke makhuluma ngenkathi ke ithombe ngithi izimbili isithombe sokuqala sithathwe ke ngihla ka 24 September ngo2020 isikhathi ku 13:43:21 then isithombe sesibili lesesibili sona naso sithatha umhla ka 24 September 2020 isikhathi ku 13:43:58 okusho ukuthi ke zishiyana ke ngemizuzwana njengabo 37 lethombe zombili.
Angikhulumi lona iphutha ngizocela mina uprintele ikhoti ithombe kuyibambe ikhoti ibuka la madate ngicela uyiprintele.
I'm requesting, I'm not confused about the dates or making a mistake about the dates. I will just request that you print these pictures and you give them to the court so that the court will follow as we go on.
Ngoba lesi sithombe lesi esinye ngikhuluma ngaso mina nasi isithombe sasekhaya nasi 2020 09 24 13 43 58 mawuqhatha sisithombe lesi usisa ngale lesi sithombe that ufunda sona the same date it e1 le.
Because I'm looking at this picture that was taken from home and it shows here the date is the 24th of September 2020 and the time is 13:43:58. When you take the same picture and then compare to the other picture, the first picture, the date is the same and the time.
Ngicela uprintele ithombe inike ikhoti lizona zonke lezi thombe iphambi kwami uyine ikhoti ufuna ikhoti mangikhuluma ibuke lento engikhulumayo.
Can you kindly just print all these pictures that I'm talking about, give them to the court as I give the explanation, the court will be following and looking at the pictures.
The photos are displayed there on the screen. As we put to you, Mr. Ntanzi, that the photos were taken seconds apart, 37 seconds apart.
Izithombe ke nazo ke ziyaboniswa khona lapha kumabona kude ngithi kodwa uthi umshutshisi afuna ukukhomba khona ukuthi ukubona ukuthi le thombe lezi ke zishiyana lephala nge 37 second.
Rustenburg to KZN izinto ezihlukene lezi.
I'm also unable to follow which metadata relates to what photo here. So maybe the state is in a position to follow that, but as I have these photos in my cell phone, which were sent at 8:52 this morning, I'm trying to relate to what metadata relates to what photo. What metadata relates to what photo? I'm unable to decipher that. I think if they are in a hard copy, I'll then be able to follow as to what metadata relates to what photo. Because as it is happening now, the state is interchanging and says that this page starts from this photo's information, the metadata relating to this photo starts from this page and then it ends up to the following page. It's very confusing as I have them in my cell phone. I think there I agree with Mr. Ntanzi that the best way is for the state to print these photos and hand them to Mr. Ntanzi, and we also have a copy of what Mr. Ntanzi will be having for us to be able to follow as to what metadata relates to what photo. As it is very confusing.
Uyachaza komele ukuthi ke naye ke udidekile njengawe Mr. Ntanzi ngoba manje uma ebheka lesithombe lezi akazi ukuthi manje ke idata yipi ewela kwesiphi isithombe naye akazwisise ukuthi ke uqoqa mhlambe naye umshushisi manga printer lesithombe lezi ke nabo banikezwe bazokwazi ukulandela ke ngendlela ke umbuso nabo bengakhona ukuthi bazokwazi ukubona ukuthi umbuso ukhuluma ngani futhi kuphi.
To start with, we have printed these photos with the relevant metadata, and the witness is using the printed photos.
Sorry. It's obvious there are two different photos.
Well, in terms of time.
Not time, in terms of time.
Yes, seconds.
Seconds, you say the difference is 37 seconds.
Yes.
Why don't you take a pen and draw underneath that 37 seconds on the other photo, right?
Yes.
And draw a corresponding line on the other photo, which is 30 seconds slower, or not slower, which was taken 37 seconds thereafter.
Yes.
There are two photos, is that not so?
Yes.
It's one photo actually. When I
Yes,
say
it's one
there
photo,
are two
yes.
exposures,
Yes. Yes.
to use the correct language.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So the first exposure is 37 seconds less,
Yes.
and the next one is 37 seconds after.
Yes.
That's how I understand the evidence.
Yes. Precisely the point, my lord.
So show your learned colleagues here.
Yes. Then
Can I
secondly-
adjourn in the meantime?
Yeah, but secondly, just before adjourn, it's for council to print. We've sent the information to them. If they want it in a hard copy form, there's nothing that stops council from printing that for themselves.
5,647,000 photos here. How on earth are we supposed, for instance, I got this information at 15 minutes to 9 this morning. How on earth will I then have been able to print 5,400 and something thousand pages? And in those instances, I even do not know what photos will the state be basing their argument on, or they will be dealing with in the cross-examination of Mr. Ntanzi. That's very unfair, let alone very ridiculous. Man.
Yesterday I inquired from Mr. Valoi which photos is he going to use, and he mentions
Yes, the pages and
the pages and everything.
And I also gave the pages to Mr. Ramusipili when just after we've adjourned.
My lord, the accused would like to say something.
I gave the page numbers to Mr. Ramusipili was here. I'm surprised when council says we made it clear when the court asked us that we will only be referring to I think we said six photos. And
Only?
Yes, and for this date, for the
Yeah, fine.
Yes, for the 24th.
That's
And-
it.
And we gave the page numbers.
So what is the problem now?
My Lord, I do confirm that I did approach Advocate Baloi after we adjourned, and he gave me
Six.
page numbers. No, it's not six. my
How
Lord.
many
They
of them?
start from 949, 951, 952, 955, 956, 2197, 2198, 2199, 2200, 2201, 2381, 2378, 2379, 2380, 2382, 8384, and then 85 and 924 and 984. But then, by the time we received this, my Lord, I only got this around 9
Hello?
p.m. I tried to print some of them, but unfortunately I can see some of them were not printed. So we can adjourn. There's a print shop next door, my Lord. I can print them.
So what do we do?
This trial is not only about Mr. Ramusipili. We've got our clients here that we are supposed also to consult and say, guys, this is the information that Mr. Tanz is now being confronted with. Do you have any instructions in relation to this? This is not only about Mr. Ramusipili. For instance, as I'm saying, I got these photos at 8:45 today. And the state says, no, yesterday he only spoke to Mr. Ramusipili. It's not only Mr. Ramusipili that is involved in this case.
So what do we do? Do we adjourn again, or what do we do?
I think my colleagues on the left must indicate, my Lord, what
You know what?
What are the
For me, I can see what the problem is. This technology baffles some people, and I'm not accusing anybody, because here we are, 6 of us, adults, we're understanding this technology differently. Maybe we should read so that when we come, we are all in one page about the technology. Because I can understand Mr. Ntanzi saying, for instance, the tattooing is courtesy, this is sort. You know, 37 seconds, it's a long time in terms of photography. Arnold Bolt, the fastest man on earth, when he runs 100 meters, it takes 9.5 9.56 seconds. Now, that shows you the time. 37 seconds, it's a long time. But to a lay mind, it's the same time. Are you with me, sir?
Yes, indeed, my lord.
So what do we do?
So my colleagues on the left must indicate what is it they are requesting.
I don't want to be seated here as a stooge. I want to follow what is happening here. Because I'm not here just to go through the emotions. I want to follow everything that is happening here. I'll request an adjournment so that we go print this. At least Mr. Ramusipili has got a clue as to how many photos must be printed, and then come and adjourn. Probably then we'll be in a position to follow what is happening.
So we adjourn? Yeah, you will tell me when you are ready, if you are ready.